Good morning, students. Today we are going to read a very important experiment, that is experiment to determine the boiling point of a liquid in the topic of designing arrangements of apparatus for making measurements. So this is very important question as far as your paper number 4 chemistry is concerned. That is called alternate to practical, in which you have to read, not perform. You have to read some experiment. So this is very important question which frequently come in the paper. So concentrate yourself. The experiment is experiment to determine the boiling point of a liquid, and we are going to read and understand this experiment through an example, and the example is measuring boiling point of ethanol. So ethanol is boiling point is 78 degrees C. So we will prove through an experiment that it boils at 78 degrees C. So concentrate yourself. Here we go. The first step will be pour approximately 5 centimeter cube of the ethanol into a boiling tube with a side arm. So look now, this is the boiling tube with a side arm. So pour approximately 5 centimeter cube of the ethanol into the boiling tube. So this will be the first step. Second step is attach a thermometer with its bulb at the same level as the side arm. So here is the side arm. So place the thermometer in such a way that the bulb of the thermometer is at the same level of the arm of the boiling tube. So the next step will be now heat the boiling tube and its contents slowly using a low flame. So here is the Bunsen burner. So use a low flame to boil the contents of the boiling tube. Also use the boiling chips so that the heat is distributed uniformly into the contents. So the use of the low flame is, the function of the low flame is so that the heat is distributed uniformly. Okay, continue heating until the ethanol starts to boil with a continuous stream of the bubbles. So when the bubbles will be produced, that will be the sign that the ethanol is boiling and a steady temperature is achieved. And at the thermometer, you will see in the starting the temperature will be going on rise, but at some instant the temperature will become constant. So the steady temperature is achieved at one point when the boiling will be achieved. Okay, the conclusion will be the temperature obtained is the boiling point of the ethanol. So this is the experiment to determine the boiling point of a liquid. So I hope so this will be much more easy and interesting for you to understand and learn now. So read this lecture again, understand it, learn it, and make your notes. This is very important question as far as your paper number 4 is concerned. So read it again. Thank you so much.